Welcome to Computer Repairs with Rob. Today I want to show you a laptop, it's a PC, that has BitLocker on it. It actually is encrypted with BitLocker. And so in order to use it, you have to enter, of course, the BitLocker passcode, which is a mile long. Anyways, I want to show you how to get rid of that and actually remove it right from the computer. So let's dive in. So here's the screen. There you can see Bitlocker Recovery. Enter the recovery key for this drive. It's quite a long key, so that's where we're at. In order to get anywhere, you have to enter that key. So we want to get rid of that. So here's how we're going to do. So here we are in Windows after I entered the very long passcode for BitLocker. And now you can see that there's two drives, Windows C and Data D, and they both have BitLocker. And so what we need to do is remove that from the computer. So here we are in Windows Explorer right now, and you can see that both drives, Data D and, as I said, Windows C are locked. If we open up a command prompt, so hit the search key and just type in there CMD, and then select Run as Administrator right here. And then we type in a command. So we're going to type in manage -BDE space -status. And then enter. And you can see here it lists the two drives. So this top one here, 1 terabyte, BitLocker version 2, blah, 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 protection is on. Unlocked, protection is on. And then volume C, which is the main hard drive, or solid state in this case, is also protection on, unlocked. And so we want to get rid of that. So let's proceed with the next command for that. All right, so let's type in here manage -BDE and then space -off space and then the drive letter. So in this case we'll start with C colon and then enter. All right, so in this case, as you can see, it says here to prevent data loss, check that a recovery password or a recovery key exists. Type manage -BD, auto unlock, clear all keys volume to remove stored external keys. All right, so let's see if we can clear the keys. Let's just try selecting this line here. And actually we need the, I believe we need the quotation marks. So it's not going to let us do it. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to type in that phrase, which is manage -BDE space -auto unlock space -clear all keys space volume and quotation marks, enter. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to type in that long line. I've typed it in already, so I'm going to just hit Shift and F3 to repeat what's there. Clear all keys. So the volume is going to be C colon, and then the quotation marks at the end, enter, and that doesn't work either. So let's try it without the quotation marks. That's the back one. Let's get rid of the front one and go to end and hit enter. Now it says all automatic unlock keys are removed from C. Let's try the same thing. So Shift F3. Sometimes you can just hit F3. Depends on how your function keys are set up. So let's go to drive D this time. So I'm going to change C to D. Go to the end and then hit enter. Oh, there you go. So keys used to automatically unlock data volumes are only found in the OS volume. So we don't have to worry about actually doing that command for volume D. All right, so now let's enter that previous command, which is manage BDE off. Let's first for fun check to see if anything's changed. Okay, so we're still showing the lock symbol there, and F3. Let's try just to refresh the screen. Okay, so it's the same. All right, so let's go back to the command prompt, and we'll type in manage dash BDE or BitLocker drive encryption space dash off space C colon enter. Decryption is now in progress. So this is what I did in another video, this part of it, which was on a drive that had BitLocker, but BitLocker wasn't actually enabled, I guess you might say. In other words, there was no key it put in. This one had the key put in, so we had to do the extra step initially of getting rid of that. So that was the mount point, pardon me, that was the auto unlock clear all keys command. And so then now we're just doing this second command, manage dash BDE space dash off for the C drive. I'll have to do the same thing for the D drive. It says it's in progress, so it's just going to take a little bit. And once the lock disappears, oh, and see there it's disappeared. So it looks like now we should be able to do the same command for D drive. So Shift F3 and change the drive letter. That Shift F3 is just a shortcut, so I don't have to type everything out again. I'm going to go to D, go to the end, and then hit Enter. Decryption is now in progress. And so presumably, I guess it takes, I didn't realize it took the lock symbol away immediately. However, the process is still happening. So we'll just let that run, and then we'll come back to it shortly. All right, so here I just typed in the command BDE-status to see what the status is, because I wasn't sure how long it's going to take. And you can see here it's saying fully decrypted for this drive, protection is off, unlocked. And for this drive here, which is volume C, it says decryption in progress, protection is off. So if I hit F3 to refresh the screen, well, actually to enter the command again, well, in this case, Shift F3 because of my function key settings, enter. And now it's finished. So protection is off, it's unlocked. Oh, pardon me, my mistake. Decryption in progress, it's at 6.8%. It's going to take a while. As you can see there, 6.8%. So we'll just let that run, and I'll check back in a bit to see when it's finished. So I checked again a couple more times, and what it's doing is it's actually counting down. So decryption in progress, it's down to 3.7%. Just to show you, if I do Shift F3 to enter the command again, hit enter, and now we see percentage encrypted, is 2.6%. So it looks like it's going to go down to 0 at some point soon. It's happening actually fairly quickly. For example, let's just try it again. Shift F3, enter, and now at 1.7%. So it's not taking very long to do. The whole process probably 5 to 10 minutes. Maybe a bit longer if the drive is bigger or if it's not a solid-state drive. In any case, it's not a long process. Shift F3, 0.6%. So I mean, it's going down just even as we're talking here, and so I just want to see that complete, or that it says it's unlocked and automatic unlock is disabled. So let's go down, Shift F3 again. All right, so now percentage encrypted is 0.0, same as above drive here. fully decrypted, protection off. So now it's completely unlocked. We close this screen out. We can either hit the X or type in exit. We're back into Windows File Explorer, pardon me. And again, there's no lock symbol. And now the annoying BitLocker login, which, I mean, it's only annoying if you don't want it. So anyways, it's off. And now that's a mission accomplished. All right. Have a great day.